Next, the Wizard of Oz.
Oh no, the Wizard of Octo. Octo, not Oz. Guys, please help me to change the Oz to Octo.
Huh?
The Wizard of Octo.
Oh, I cannot find my eyeglasses. Earlier I find it. Why now it's gone? My eyeglasses. Where are you? Oh, it's here. I'm here with the Jane Eyre book.
The Wizard of Octo. Read it. Call it Octo, not Oz, please.
No way.
Please.
I don't like it.
I like Octo. Octo is cute.
No, ma. The Wizard of Oz. You sleep, Lama. I don't read you later. Lama.
Yeah.
No, sleep close your eyes lah. The Wizard of Oz. Once upon a time, there was a little girl called Dorothy. Dorothy lived on a farm in Kansas, America. She lived with her aunt, her uncle, and her little dog, Tutu. The name of my cousin, Tutu. One day, Dorothy's aunt and uncle were out working on the farm. Dorothy was in the farmhouse playing with Toto. Suddenly, a whirlwind came and carried the farmhouse away. Dorothy was very frightened. "Where are we going to land?" she said to her little dog. They came down in a land full of flowers. Suddenly, a beautiful lady appeared. "Where am I?" said Dorothy. "You are in the land of Oz," said the lady. "I am very pleased to see you. I am the Good Witch." She thanked Dorothy for killing the wicked witch. "What wicked witch?" said Dorothy. "Look under your farmhouse," said the Good Witch. Dorothy looked under the farmhouse. There she saw a witch. On the witch's feet were two magic shoes. Dorothy put on the shoes. "I want to go back home," said Dorothy. "How do I get there?" "You must go to see the Wizard of Oz," said the Good Witch. "He lives in the Emerald City, along the yellow bricks road. He can help you." "Can you come with me?" said Dorothy. "No," said the Good Witch, "but I will be there when you need me." So Dorothy and Toto followed the yellow bricks road. Soon they saw a scarecrow. "Where are you going?" asked the scarecrow. "We're going to the Emerald City to see the Wizard of Oz," said Dorothy. I come with you," said the scarecrow. "My head is full of straw. I want to ask the wizard for the brains so that I can think." So Dorothy, Toto, and the scarecrow followed the yellow bricks road. They passed a man made of tin. "Are you going to see the Wizard of Oz?" asked the Tin Man. "Yes," said Dorothy. "Can I come with you?" said the Tin Man. "I want to ask the wizard for a heart so that I can love." So they all walked along the yellow bricks road. Suddenly, an angry lion appeared. "Where are you all going?" asked the lion. "We're going to the Emerald City to see the Wizard of Oz," said Dorothy. "Can I come too?" said the lion. "I want to ask you for some courage." "It's no good being lion without courage." Dorothy was happy with her new friends. They all followed the yellow bricks road together. Soon Dorothy, Toto, and Scarecrow, the Tin Man, and the Lion came to the Emerald City. Everything in the city was made of emeralds. A little man appeared. "We want to see the Wizard of Oz," said Dorothy. "Can you take us to him?" "Follow me," said the little man, and he took them to a beautiful emerald room. There they saw a Wizard of Oz. Dorothy and her friends were frightened. "Wizard, can you help us?" asked Dorothy. "What do you want me to do?" said the wizard. "I like a brain," said the Scarecrow. "I like a heart," said the Tin Man. "I like some courage," said the Lion. What about you?" the wizard asked Dorothy. "What do you want?" "I just want to go home to Kansas," said Dorothy. "I will help you," said the wizard. "But first, you must help me go and kill the last witch in the land of Oz." Dorothy and her friends were not very pleased. They didn't know how to kill the last witch. Dorothy, Toto, the Scarecrow, the Tin Man, and the Lion went find the Wicked Witch's castle. Suddenly, the witch flying monkeys came. They carried Dorothy, her friends, and Toto back to the witch castles. The Wicked Witch wanted Dorothy's magic shoes. "If I have the magic shoes, then I can be the wickedest witch the land of Oz has ever seen," she said. But Dorothy wouldn't give her the magic shoes, so the witch made Dorothy work in her castle. One day the witch said, "If you don't give me your magic shoes, I will kill your little dog." Dorothy was very angry. She took a bucket of water and threw it all over the witch. "You wicker! Your water is killing me," said the witch, and she disappeared. The So Dorothy and her friends went back to see the Wizard of Oz. "Now we have helped you," said Dorothy. "Please will you help us?" So the Wizard of Oz gave the Scarecrow some brains, the Tin Man a heart, the Lion some courage. "Now I can think," said the Scarecrow. "Now I can love," said the Tin Man. "And I will be a brave lion," said the Lion. "But what about Dorothy?" said the Scarecrow. "I cannot help her," said the Wizard. "I don't know how to send her home." Suddenly, the Good Witch appeared. "Dorothy," said the Good Witch, "you must ask your shoes to take you home." "Shoes, please take me home," said Dorothy. Suddenly, she was back in her farmhouse with her aunt and uncle, and Dorothy and Toto lived happily ever after. The end. What does Dorothy live with? Her aunt and uncle. What is the name of her little dog? Her name of little dog? Toto. What does Dora meet first on the yellow brick road? What does Dora meet first on the what she meet the forget block? The lady, the witch, the good witch. What does the Tin Man want? A heart. how Dorothy and her friends get to the witch castle. And the flying monkey, bring them to the castle. How does Star get rid of the wicked witch? Using the water. The end.